Pyrex Mozart in the kitchen.
All right. We are back. It's your boy K, Credit K. We back with some another great credit information to help you level up those credit scores, get out that 9 to 5 rat race, and build business credit scores. If you like the information, hit the like button real quick. Boop, and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Now, I got a great opportunity for you guys. You saw the title, you see the thumbnail. Artificial intelligence is the new wave. It is taking over all business, all forms of business, and all industries, and the credit repair industry is no exception. So, with this company called Doubly, you see right here on the screen, you can fix your credit for free using artificial intelligence AI with doubly.com. Now, I signed up for the site. They have two tiers. They have a free version. Now, fortunately, with the free version, it's only for TransUnion. You will only get your TransUnion report looked at. If any discrepancies on your TransUnion report, Doubly will repair those, remove those, or correct any information for you for free. But if you want the other two, Experian and Equifax, then you have to do the paid version, which is $39 a month. You get all three bureaus. You get to check your scores. You get theft ID insurance, credit monitoring, like I said, and weekly updates on your TransUnion. But you did monthly updates on the all three if you keep that $40 plan, which is great. If they are showing FICO scores, I'm not sure if they're showing Vantage scores or FICO scores. Sort of like Credit Karma only shows you Vantage scores. FICO scores, Fair Isaac credit reporting, is what most banks and car dealerships look at when they're pulling your credit. So the premium version is really what you want, but I'm going to try out the free version just to see, how it goes, if they actually can do anything. I had a late payment, boneheaded mistake by me. I thought I had a credit card set on auto payment. I didn't check it. I didn't look at the balance. I made a payment one time, haven't really spent on it, but the interest and everything were reporting, and I got a notification from the bank saying, "Hey, you 2 months behind." By the time I set up the auto debit, they already dinged me for 30 days late. Knocked my credit score down 20 points, but I'm going to try this method and see if they can get that removed. It's a new credit card, new age. So if they remove the entire account, I would not be affected. Like I said, I'm only had that credit card since I think about February of this year. So it's not old. The utilization is the amount of that I can utilize is 10,000. So that'll kind of bring down my amount of utilization if it does get removed, but I'm still not worried about it too much. My credit score is still above a 680, so I'm good, and that will bring me back on up. All right, so that is how Doubly pricing structure works. Once I signed up for the account, I just had to enter in or verify some information what I am, and then you go in and you select what accounts you want looked at on your TransUnion report. And said I only had one account I wanted to look at. Here are some of their stats. They have a 91 success rate. Of course, they have a free plan. What's the difference between Doubly and Credit Karma? They actually say it right here. We're beyond credit monitoring, but they don't say if they pull from FICO or Advantage. I need to remove inaccurate items. Doubly plan is right for me. We go for the premium plan. Yeah, so if you got, more stuff than just basic collections, public record, stuff like that, you want to do the premium plan. But I would, just try them out, see how it goes. It's a fairly new company. This AI stuff is fairly new as well. So we don't have a lot of testimony. Here are some reviews, but, we don't know where these came from, guys. These could be just people that paid. So they got some information on how to build your credit report, which is cool. I like that. They got ways you can save money. Opening up some type of probably some bank accounts or something. Usually where products like that come out, they try to be real robust in the financial space. They give you checking accounts, saving accounts, loan offers, credit building opportunities if you do need to build your credit up and stuff like that. So that's the deal with Dovely. Go ahead and check them out. Wish I had a referral anything for them, but I don't have that. So just go to dovely.com and get rolling. See what credit is important for. Even starting a business, you need excellent personal credit scores, guys. All right. All right. So that's the AI revolution, and now it's in the credit repair space. So go ahead. Appreciate you still here. I have a free Facebook group where I talk about grants and business credit. Link down in the description to join those. Whole host of other credit cards, credit building, CPN information. Go ahead and check out my channel, hit subscribe, and learn and apply the information and boss up, baby. All right, we gone.